Hello, Bacha Party. Once again, welcome back to the Science and Technology of Standard 6, Chapter number 7, Getting to Know the Plant of Part Third. This is Sufyan Sarwat explaining you the easy way to understand the science. आपको सब कुछ आसानी से समझ आ जाएगा because सब आसान है. And science is a thing of experience and the feeling. Yeah. So in the previous lecture, we had studied about the stream, roots, and many more things. Now we are going to study about the modification of root and the particular flower. Okay, let's look at what is that. So modification of root. After the modification of root, what we get, what is the use of that modification? Because if we are modifying anything, we are getting something new and something interesting, and it is very useful to us. So what is it useful to us? Okay, let's look at here. To store food, we eat radish, carrot because they are food stored in them. They are swollen taproot. Now that the modification of a root is after the modifying the root is become to the store food. We know very well that the food is always comes from the particular out portion of the tree, but after the modification we are getting the food from the roots. And the swollen taproot means simple और सूज जाता है, बड़ा हो जाता है ना वो, and it's a taproot that we had already discussed in the previous lecture also. What is a taproot? Clear? So it is stored inside the food. We have one example over here, that particular this radish, carrot. This is the example of that food. Clear, bacha bhai? Okay. Okay, another point is that to give extra support. Now root is always are for the extra supports. Clear? That you had already observed how the root of some plants are modified to give extra support. Example, banyan tree, they fix themselves in the soil to support them. So such a root are called prop root. Now what is prop root? You had observed this type of thing, that when you see the banyan tree over there, you can observe that the branches of the banyan trees and even the roots, जो उसका वर्ड बोलते हैं ना, वो जब वो ब्रांचेस में से वर्ड निकलता है, दैट्स गो इनसाइड टू द पर्टिकुलर सोइल and they become the root of that trees, and they become support system of that banyan tree, and to grow that banyan tree with the huge proportion. Clear? मतलब कि एक बड़ा सा ट्री होगा. Okay, suppose that this is our tree. Clear? And this is the branches of the trees. Here is also the particular leaves. This is the branches. Clear? Now from that branches we are getting particular, this is our soil. Clear? From that branches we are getting the roots, or we can say आप बोलते word बोलते ना वो. Clear? They go inside to the particular soil and they become what? They look like trees, or they look like a woodly cylindrical wood. Clear? वो wood की तरह लगेगा, और ये particular क्या होता है? root होता है. Clear? और वो इसे सपोर्ट करता है. सो ट्री बहुत बड़ा हो जाए. क्लियर? इसे रफ कर लेते हैं. So this type of tree is known as what? It's known as a prop tree. Clear? Okay. So this is known as what? This is a prop tree. We can make it different color of a highlighter so we can get it that. Okay. It's a prop root. Clear? Okay. Now we can see it here that this is our what? This is our taproot and this is our fibrous root. What is the specification in the taproot? In the specification of taproot is that in the taproot also there is one stream over in the downside, and from that vein, or we can say the stream downside, we are getting the another veins मतलब छोटे छोटे वेन्स आपको दिखेंगे, ये मेन वेन होगा और साइड में दूसरे वेन दिखेंगे। क्लियर, देखो इधर, लुक एट हियर, ओके। In the fibrous tree there were no particular one single roots, यहाँ पे हमें सिंगल रूट्स दिख रहे हैं। क्लियर, ये रूट के अंदर से रूट निकल रहा है, बट हियर इज व्हाट, when we look at here is simple that particular, from the down portion we are getting the different roots from the down portion, they were not one system, and here is what एक बड़ा सा डाउनवर्ड्स के अंदर एक स्ट्रीम निकलेगा, इट इज नोन एज, दिस इज द टैप रूट एंड दिस इज द फाइब्रस रूट। क्लियर, नाउ for that let us consider some particular activities. Over there we can understand betterly that what is the use of that particular roots, how they are benefit to us, from that we are getting that food, okay, enough. From particular roots we are getting support system, but another thing is that how we can identify. Let us look at here activity 6. Activity 6 is what, we have to take a particular two plant. Clear, this is one A and this is B part. Clear, now plant A is with the root. Clear, here is looking, you can observe it that here is what, with the root. Clear, so plant A is what, with the root, and plant B is for without root. Clear, now what we have to do the next. So when we cut out the particular root in from the plant B and dig it into the soil, and with the root we are digging the soil, okay. Now what we have to do, for a 3 or 4 days we have to just giving the water perfectly, उसे पानी देना है। Clear, plant को। Now you have to observe that after 3-4 days we have observed that the part A is become very greenery, वो अच्छे से बड़ा हुआ होगा, but when you observe the part B, what's happened to the part B, वो मुरझा गया होगा, they become dry. Why? Because they don't have a roots, we already cut out that roots. So roots are the very useful to getting the minerals from the soil. Yeah? From this activity what we are getting, that from the roots the plant is become healthy and alive. Yeah? Root are become the things, from that we are getting the particular energy. Like if we don't have a mouth, then हम कुछ भी खा नहीं पाएंगे, कुछ भी पी नहीं पाएंगे, तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा ना जीने के लिए। इसी तरह से फूड आर प्रिपेयरिंग द फूड विद द यूज ऑफ सनलाइट, दैट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट ओनली not preparing from the sunlight, they also take the water minerals from the soils, and with the help of the root they are getting what, minerals. तो root बहुत ही जरूरी चीज है। Clear? So this activity, what is that? This activity show that roots are necessary to keep the plant healthy and the alive. This is important, that why root is necessary for healthy and the alive. Clear? Now activity 7, what is that? Now when we observe that the particular gram and maize, okay, we have to take the gram and the maize from the soil, and with the root you have to take it out, okay, and wash it. After the washing you have to place it in the particular paper, white paper, so we can observe it very well that what type of a root they have. देखना जरूरी है ना, कि से that when you getting the earthworm from the particular soil, तो आप उसे भी जमीन पे रख के देखते ना, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, ओह क्या चल रहा है, मस्त, वाओ, अमेजिंग. So it's also the this is the one another thing, the earthworm is the friend of farmer. Without earthworm there is no growth of any of the trees. So how? That we will understand in the further classes. Yeah. So we have to observe it, that when we observe that particular gram, particularly gram, we are getting what, that their root are in the tape root. Clear? मतलब एक बीच में एक मेन रूट होगा, उसके साइड में से अलग अलग रूट निकलेंगे. Like when you observe that particular banyan, or you can see that leaves. When you observe the leaves over there, one is the main vein and another they have the what, simply different ways. Clear? तो वो क्या होगा, the same thing is applied to the particular roots only. Okay, now this is the maize. When we observe the maize, we are getting what? Fibrous root. Fibrous root is a simple that what, from the one portion we are getting the many of the roots. उसका एक मेन हेड क्वार्टर नहीं होगा कि वहां से रूट्स निकलेंगे, हेड क्वार्टर होना जरूरी है. क्लियर? इन द बिजनेस और एनीवे, if we have the headquarters, we are making the different type of branch. Otherwise it going to be a closed town कि भाई आपका हेडक्वार्टर है नहीं, आपने अलग अलग ब्रांच खोल दी, तो सब अपने आपको हेडक्वार्टर समझ लेंगे ना. सो दिस हैपन टू द मेज. क्लियर? सो मेज हैज द पर्टिकुलर fibrous root and the particularly gram has a taproot. Okay, so this activity shows what different plant have different type of roots. Okay, this activity shows that different plant have different type of roots. Activity A is give us idea about what that from the root or from the leaves we are getting the idea that which type of a root we have, or from the root we are getting the idea that which type of the leaves are there. Okay, look at here, gram. When you observe the gram, their leaves are become what? Reticulate venation that we had already studied previous. Okay, so this is the reticular venation, and if there is a reticular venation, then they have the tap root. Clear? Now in the maize, when we observe the maize, they have what? Parallel venation and they have the fibrous root. Clear? Parallel venation मतलब सीधी सीधी वेन होगी, एक दूसरे को पैरेलल होगी. क्लियर बेटा बाटे? So this is the rectangular and this is very important that from here we are getting the 1 marks questions. Clear? So remember it carefully. Now the important thing of the particular plants about the flower, that sir, how the flower is going to be reproductive, how the new flower is formed, how the seeds are formed, even that the particular flower is also the reproductive system like a human being, even that particular how the flower is grown, which type, what's the name of the different parts of the flower. Let us look at here. The flower is a reproductive structure. The flower is what? Reproductive structure of plant. Clear? It is modification of shoot. Clear? Different part of plant bear different type of flower, but the basic structure is almost the same in all except few. Clear? So flower is the main headquarter. Over that there is a reproductive system, or we can say the reproductive structure are occur. Clear? From that flower we are getting about that particular different type of plant have the different type of flower. Clear? And the here we are getting the basic structure, even that some have flower are have the different type of basic structure. Okay, so different parts have the different name. What is that? Let us observe here. Okay, now parts of the flower, we have only 4 parts. One is a sepals, another is a petals, next is a stamens and the pistils. Clear? What is that? Look at here. So the pistil is what? This is the green portion between that flower is known as what? It's the pistil. Clear? Now this third point, that stamens, clear, is what? This is the stamen. Clear? This is the stamen. The upper portion of the stamen is known as what? Anthers. Clear? Anthers. Here is a different type of plants over there we are getting. Even that, what is a pistil and several is have the next page. Clear? So Okay, okay. So here is a sepals. Now where is the sepal in the flower? Now we have to observe it that very well. So when we get the sepals, we can get the idea perfectly over there. So sepal is what? It's a green portion. Here the green line we are seeing, this is a green portion, is known as what? Sepal. छोटे छोटे leaves आते हैं ना, वो sepal है. Okay, so what is defined? Let us look at here. The small green colored leaves like structure seen in flower are called sepal. So the small green color leaves like structure, this is the small green color leaves like a structure. Clear? This is known as what? This is the sepal, small green color leaves. Clear? These provide protection to the other part during bud condition. Clear? So when there is a bud condition means what? The flower is become very small and over the side the sepal is going to be a cover from the flower. अंदर क्या होगा? पूरा आपका फ्लावर होगा. ये आपका फ्लावर है, ये बर्ड में होगा एंड द ग्रीन कलर sepal है उसको कवर करके बैठेगा. So they are become the protection. Clear? So this is become the protection cover for the particularly flower. So this is the sepals. Now what is next? It's the petals. The big color leaves. What? Big color leaves like structure seen in the flower is called petals. This red color you are seeing in the picture is known as what? It's the petal. Clear? These vary in shape, size and structure in different plant. Okay, when we are observing in the different type of plant, in the rose there is a different structure, in the jasmine different structure, if there is a white color flower there is a different structure. So in each and every different type of a plant we are getting the different type of petals, but sepals are always same for each and every plants. Even the some are going to be a change, but its work is same and its size is always small. Clear? These are mostly bright color to attract insect, animal and even human being. Clear? So when how we are attract towards the particular flower? By observing their colors, bright colors. We are always going for the photography or taking the flower to smell it. Clear? So the petals are the part of that flowers that each and every things are going to be attract towards that part. If you are thinking about the insects, they always attract towards that. Clear? Because honeybee go to the particular this type of parts. Even that animals also and human being also are attract towards this part. Clear? This is the petals. Now third is what? Is the stamens. What is the stamens? Clear? So here you are observing that this, we can change it the color so we can observe it. Okay, so this part we are observing it's what? Stamen. So when we remove sepals and petals, then we see long filament in the flower which are called stamen. Clear? So stamen is what? When we observe it or when we remove what? Remove the sepals and petals. Sepals and the petals when we remove it, so we are getting what? Long filaments is known as what? Stamen. Clear? Now what is that? These are male reproductive system. Clear? These are what? Male reproductive system. This is 1 mark question. What is the male reproductive system? Is a stamen. Clear? And in the stamen there is a two part. The upper portion and the lower portion. They both are the different part. ऊपर और नीचे दोनों का अलग अलग नाम दिया हुआ है. पूरे को स्टेमिन दिया हुआ है लेकिन अंदर से अलग अलग पार्ट हो रहा है. क्लियर? सो इट कंसिस्ट एंथर एंड द फिलामेंट. Now the upper part, here we are observing the upper part is what? Anther. Clear? And the down portion, clear, cream color, that it's a फिलामेंट। क्लियर? नीचे का भाग है जो लंबा वो फिलामेंट, ऊपर का जो पोर्शन है दैट इज द एंथर। Their structure are the number of structure varied greatly in different plant. Clear? So if the particularly petals are varied, so in the inner part there is a filament, or we can say the stemming are also going to be varied. So different plants have the different type of structure of the stemming. Clear? Now pistil, what is the pistils? The innermost part of the flower which cannot see completely are called pistil. Clear? The innermost part, that is that. So by the upper portion we are not going to be see completely, but when we remove all type of things and when we split out, तो तहेस नहेस करने के बाद दिखेगा, तो नहीं करने का बच्चा पार्टी, बिकॉज हम आपको सब कुछ समझा रहे हैं, दिखा रहे हैं। क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज द पिस्टल? सो इट्स द अपर मोस्ट पार्ट, और वी कैन से इनर मोस्ट पार्ट, अंदर से अंदर बहुत पार्ट है, एंड दैट कैनॉट बी सी कंप्लीटली, इट्स अ पिस्टल। दिस इज द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स ऑफ अ फ्लावर। क्लियर? दिस इज द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स। क्लियर? It consists of stigma, style, and ovary. So, in the pistil there is a particular three parts, which is that. Okay. So, the upper part is known as what is a sigma. Clear? Upper part is what is a stigma. This between part, clear? This is what style, and the middle part, this is a very particular swollen portion, this is known as what? It's the ovary. Clear? This female part of the plant produce seeds and fruits on ripening. Clear? So when the male and the female reproductive system are met, over that time they are producing the seeds and even there's the fruits. Clear? From the fruits we are getting the different plants, same type of different plants, even that from the seeds also. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे प्लांट हो गए over there. In the particular big plant there is a small type of plants are also grown, same type of structure. Because of this, because when they are made, their seeds are falling down. Clear? So they are grown in the soil. Clear? So the female reproductive part produce what? Seeds and the fruits. Clear? Now we will observe it that in that particular part what is that in our activity. So what we have to do? We have to just take a two particular pistil, and one we have to cut it horizontally and another we have to cut it vertically. Clear? This is the blade. Clear? This is the blade. So what we have to do here is we have to cut it into the longitudinal, and this is the vertical we have to cut it. Clear? So when we cut it, we are getting in the two portion. This is this portion, and this one is that this portion. Clear? So when we cut it in the vertical, we are getting both ovals. ये हमें ओवल दिखने को मिल रहा है. Clear? And इस टाइप से लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल पे हमने कट किया तो हमें क्या दिख रहा है? ओवल. So inner part structure of an ovary. Clear? We are getting. So this is whole type of a flower that we had already studied about the stem, roots, modification over there, their functions, and the flowers, different part of the flowers, how they reproduce, how we get the different type of seeds. Okay, so here our chapter is end. Thank you very much. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the better way. If you are watching the good thing, you are with the Sufyan Sarved. And if you are not getting my video, so you can go in the search button, you can get write my name Sufyan Sarved, you can get it my video. Goodbye, Chapati. Do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents.